Hi, greetings. Welcome to Beauty ETC. I am Beauty ETC and I'm happy to have you here. I am a makeup enthusiast. I am a makeup artist and I love all things beauty. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you my favorite foundations that I like to use in the fall. Of course, the fall is when things are getting really cool. It's cool in the morning, it's hot in the afternoon a little bit, and then it's cool again at night, and the leaves are falling and everything is just shedding leaves. The trees are just shedding leaves. And I like summer. I don't really like fall. Thank you for coming to my channel. If this is your first time, please stay, please listen, please subscribe, please comment, please like my videos. That will help my video. Also, if you've been here, thank you so much. If you've been here before and you've stuck around and you're here again, I am very, very, very grateful for you being here. All right, let's go into the video without much ado. In the fall foundation edition, I am going to be talking about full coverage foundations that I have enjoyed. I'm shopping my stash. These are things that I've used, that I've liked, and I am bringing them to you. I'm recommending them to you. What are some of the foundations that you have that you would like or that you like to use during the fall or the winter season? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, starting first with what I have on my face today. I did that in my former video. I used this foundation. This is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This is full coverage. This is an excellent foundation. Even if it's not fall, you can use this in the summer. It sort of self-sets. It almost doesn't need a powder. And then maybe because I used the primer that I used, that's why I almost didn't need a powder. I mean, using a powder with this was just extra. Okay, I have these two because I have yellow undertones and I have a little bit of red. The yellow was too yellow. I needed something to balance it out, so I got a reddish tone. These tones, if you are my color, this is amber and this is bamboo. Okay, all right, that is first on my list. That is one of my favorite foundations. All of the foundations I'm going to be talking to you about are awesome. Okay, second, of course, we have the Kat Von D foundation. This is awesome. This will cover all your sins and everything on your face that you want covered, and you do not even need much. This is an excellent foundation. It is full coverage. If you just want to cover everything and be done, you don't want to try and have 2 layers or 3 layers. The KVD, okay, not Kat Von D, I'm sorry. Okay, if I said that, I apologize. This is the KVD Lock It foundation. Again, I have 2 shades. One is really light and one is really dark. That happens to me in some cases. Another favorite of mine is the Clinique Even Better foundation. I love this foundation. I love all these foundations. This is a serum foundation and it just gives you that glow. It's not mattifying. The KVD Lock It foundation is mattifying. The Becca is in between. This gives you a sateen finish. It is, love it. Next on my list is the Milani Perfect and Conceal foundations. I have 2 Milani brands here, but this is the first one that I would like to talk about. Again, I have 2. Actually, yeah, I have 2, but with this foundation, this amber, again, amber, I guess amber is my color. It works for me. I just use this to probably highlight. Sometimes I like to get 2 foundations because I use my foundation to highlight. I showed that in my previous video. Please watch and you'll understand what I'm saying. This is the Conceal and Perfect, Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. So it's a foundation and concealer. So it stands to reason that I can use this both as a foundation to clean up my brows in this area of my face, under my eyes. I mean, it already says that, so I'm really not doing anything wrong. Not that it's wrong to use your foundation for concealing and perfecting or whatever you want to use it for. Just do you, okay? Next is the Screen Queen. This is another Milani brand. Milani, if you do not have Milani, if you have not tried Milani, I mean, what are you doing? Like, why? Okay, this is the Milani Screen Queen Natural Finish Foundation. It is full coverage. It is full coverage, so don't be fooled by this natural finish. Yes, yeah. Again, I have 2. I have Toasted Tawny and I have Spiced Toffee. All right. Next on the list is this do not roll away, is this Stay Naked Urban Decay foundation. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Stay Naked Urban Decay foundation is awesome. This is lightweight on your face, yet full coverage. Lightweight, but full coverage. I wore this for my mom's birthday and it stayed on. It did not move, it did not go anywhere. It didn't even feel like I had on makeup on my face. That brings us to the end of this video, short and sweet. These are the foundations that I like to use. I do not use skin tints during the fall season. It's just too much work. These get the work done, and then it's not cold outside, so you can get away with it. Minimal primer, powder, and you're good to go. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.